Welcome back to Charlie's Kitchen. So now I'm starting on breakfast. If you've seen my previous video or you haven't seen it, check that out. That was dinner. I did dinner before breakfast. I know it seems kind of odd, but that's what I did this morning because I wanted to get that out of the way. Now I'm starting on breakfast, okay? So we're going to put our fire on, which I just did. Check for Chef Charlie. And now we're going to add some of my butter, my Smart Balance butter. And I'm going to do 2 teaspoons. And get that started so that my red peppers in the pan can go ahead and start softening up, okay? And I have 4 eggs here, and that's what I'm gonna put in my pan for breakfast this morning for me and my baby girl who is grown. This is for us this morning. And if you wanted to do the green bell pepper or even the orange, that works just fine in this meal. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and let this saute, and I'll be back in just a bit. Okay, so I'm ready to add my eggs. And how you know that the bell pepper has softened enough when you're doing the red. You see how the butter is almost turning that red color? That's how you know you're ready. So now I'm going to add my eggs. You want to make sure that you don't get a shell in there. Okay, and 1 more to go. Okay. So I'm going to let that go ahead and cook. It's smelling so good in Charlie's kitchen. Okay. Now I'm going to give a sprinkle of the garlic salt. And normally that's all I put on my eggs. This garlic salt. No MSG. So that's all I put on my eggs. And they're amazing. So we're just going to let that cook, and I'll be right back. So I'm ready to give my eggs a flip. Now, if you want to put cheese on these, you definitely can. I don't think I'm doing that today. But I do want to add my sausage in the same pan. So those can go ahead and cook. I think my daughter is going to want 2. I only want 1. But so you can see what I'm using. It's the chicken and maple sausage patty. And it's by Applegate. If you can see that. Okay. So that's what I'm using. And these chicken sausages are so good. I'm just going to flip them over in the pan. And we should be ready to go. And when I was at Costco, I made sure to get Can you see them? Made sure to get some croissants. Croissants. So that's gonna be breakfast right there. My croissants, my eggs, and sausage. And these cook really quick because they're pretty much cooked already. It's just they're frozen, right? So I am ready to go. This is breakfast. I thank you guys for joining me this morning. I hope you're having an amazing Saturday thus far. And I hope to see you here on the channel next time. If you can do me a favor and just like, subscribe, and share. It doesn't take you that long to do that. Just a second. And guess what it costs you? Free 99. Girl. Guys, free 99. That's all it costs you. So I would so appreciate your support in doing so. And if you have any recipes that you'd like to see in your kitchen or like to do in your kitchen that you want to suggest to me, go ahead and put it in the comments. Any other questions, please feel free to put it in the comments as well. And until next time, from my kitchen to yours, bye-bye, everyone.